Nijang Karbianong Baithalangso Jowai Natrang Khanduli Kachileng and Asia Tower Kahinok Kilik Parpik Penajok Pini Ambinong Carmel Standard School Student atum Lapen Thanbang atum Chingbai Si Tower Harlok Kethok Ponasai Kitengpon Nijang Karbianong District Headquarter Hamren BJP atum APHLC atumalong ma joining aman Chingbai dun rong ajok development tengne det
So NEC tuar putha ka bangke ye tang elo bupen kaladak 20 nong bothalang so aki hai rupsing teron masi completion ceremony pitang ti veglo halabang so pitakang ti bangke tarike thom November cheklo 2021 pulo te ladak bangke isi ni tum ki pen ki pudang bang pulo atuar tang te ko ceremony ave ko pitang ti te ko se tuar bangke vagla lu nili chole ka chini hamren rada chini pulo te ko son si completion ladak Certificate ki pidun terma afita kang di dun perma hala bang tanang li tumta matha chet penle kam claim non matha chet penle matha pamir pen nang tumla bang so a completion a ceremony samen nang tum deng dun nang ye polo
Nijang Karbianong Hamren along MAC Hetsing rong Parliament MLA Rupsing Terona hem hikublo Jo Parnika chilala towar kahinu bonda Karbianong Autonomous Council pen kipi kong tenong kachithap me pikpiga jok towar kahinu chethepronang liderason nang manden Bangsa tawar kahino laki konan nilong inglingre li inglingre adim kalilo laki baithalang sorong sopipen silongka chilara tawar lo buvoy fita Carmel Standard School athino laben bhomta hi thi kidama tawar lo bonta Karbianong Autonomous Council asor Hamren aphan kapanung kugajok development ahin West Karbianong headquarter Hamren along theglong nepin laben development ke akkelokma akikma apima lomata Hamren arat non anta chininila Bangswa jok pini sekolah sumar tur paksi tawar kasimara sai dekpon Bangswalam Karbianong Autonomous Council asor jinso thechima ki apore than popusi sekolah than mangatupden ninjepon
Now we have not yet informed, but in the past few days we have seen them bring these rocks and chips and we were waiting for their actions and repairing of these rods, but till today we do not get anyone who will make this road for us. So as the students are always facing this problem every day, especially during the rainy season, so we thought that it would be best if we do it on our own. So that is the reason why we asked the students and the staffs to have a short social walk today.
Because the road is not
look forward here
because this road was not made by the PWD, so we discussed all the student body council and include the teachers. We discussed to make it so that the student also can go without dirty. So that's why.
Standard are you?
Nilitum non bike ben sige damlo tuar puding hake la Hamren town lo lage MLA Rupsing Terona arong bong lo non nilitum edo Hamren town ICI long dak school so market dam ke wang distapi pen la we to Silong lo lage kado we da chini lo lage we to Silong pulo dang de ko pulo lage interstate pute lage towar ke mission nahi not only towar la are mata ICI school do ke so mar tum ke dam ke wang sung pik nilitum nasi Thegason de la poriborton pugachi puera non ruling party to bangke development pusi chethan bom the so development bangke Karbianglong ke theglong le
Lebanon prab jinpen bangsa tawar nang silam pibek dang jipu non oviki turmi soching MAC hesing rong parapansi bangsa ki sumben nang pachok vek nang jipu radadom tuning ripon Hamren pen bidera mingling Karbi Daily News